we are going to talk about how connection is probably one of the most powerful parenting tools that you have. Welcome back to day 6. So I feel like I keep saying this. Today is one of my favorite days because I get to talk to you about connection. We are going to focus today on connection is more important than correction. If you haven't downloaded your workbook, click the link below and turn to page 6 and then follow along. Today we're talking about connection. Correction is important. I want to preface today by saying correction is 100% important. You are your child's parent and you're responsible for shaping who they're going to become. And correction is very, very important part of that. However, connection leads correction. And what I mean by that is that your child needs to feel so close to you, so attached, so secure. And when that happens, they will want to follow your leading. They will want to do what you're requesting of them. So when we prioritize connection, everything in parenting becomes so much easier. And the reason is what I had just said. So connection is leaning into the attachment relationship that you have with your child. And attachment is a biologically driven experience that when your child feels so close to you, they want to please you. They want to adopt your values. They want to feel connected. They want to do what you want them to do. So let's lean into that today so that we understand how we can use this powerful tool to the best of our abilities. When your child feels safe and loved, they're more likely to listen, cooperate, and thrive. Think about it from an adult perspective. There's a lot of people that we feel close to. There's people that, whether it's work or just in our environment, that they're there, but we don't really feel that close to. And then there's the people that we're kind of repelled from. So the people that we're close to. So think about one of your friends that you feel super close to, or even a coworker at work that you feel super close to. Those are the people that you're going to trust. Those are the people that you're going to share a little bit of your inner world with and ask advice from or listen to when they share something with you. So it's the same thing with our kids. Connection builds that foundation for everything else that we expect of them. Connection moves the child from reactivity to receptivity. So from a no brain, no, 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 I'm not going to do it, to a yes brain. What would you like me to do for you? How can I help you? How can I listen and respond to you? Connection also builds the brain. For example, it builds self-control, empathy, personal insight, relational and decision-making abilities. And these are all important executive functions that they're going to need in school and for the rest of their life when they get out of school, for their jobs, for interacting with other individuals. Those executive function skills, those upper brain skills, are necessary for everything that they do. When you pause to connect with your child, you're telling them, you matter, I see you, you are valuable. That's the greatest gift that you can give your child. So for today's action, I want you to share with your child a story of when you felt really, really close to them. Snuggle up, grab a stuffy if necessary and a blanket, and talk to them about a time that was really special and comforting and close. And then see if they have a story for you, because this will provide insight into what they actually need for connection from you. Parenting really is a journey of connection. Each time you pause to be present, you are investing in your child's emotional well being and helping develop their brain in some incredible ways. So, today, if you remember nothing else, you are so important to your child and focus on that connection. Take time to answer the questions in the workbook, place your answers in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 7. See you.